Hi, my name is Diana.Eselin, Guaranty RV in Junction City. I have here a very special Arctic Fox Silver Fox edition. It's a 2013, and it's in incredible condition. It's a 32.5M. Very excited to have this used in our inventory because they don't come in very often. Come on in and let's take a look. 32.5M. Here we have a nice double stainless steel sink, a lot of countertops, a lot of cabinet space here, very deep, solid wood, as you know, with the Northwood. We have the High Point microwave and the 3-burner stove with a vent. Also more cabinets here. This is the great thing about it. Big 4-door refrigerator with the solid wood on the front. Here we have a couple nice recliners and the rear living with the freestanding dinette set with 4 chairs. This is a really neat, I've never seen one like this with the nice big fireplace. It really heats the unit up. We have a Vizio, HDMI, and flat screen TV with a nice solid wood trim here. As you can see, for 2013, this is a beauty. So come on up here. We have Jack and Jill bathroom with the solid porcelain tank. Nice, good sized shower. Look at this. Look at this shower. Nice for someone tall, can fit in there, and very nice Northwood quality. I'm surprised this one's still here. This one has also an updated beautiful bed with large spaces for washer and dryer. Big closet. Has little side tables on each side, and again the solid wood trim. We also have a little TV here. And this has a door for privacy for the master bedroom. Let's take a look outside. I'll show you some features outside. So the first thing we have here is walk-through storage. It has a vacuum system and also one extra TV there. That's kind of nice. This has a nice thick 1-inch doors, 2 10-gallon propane tanks. This has power awning and airborne Reese hitch with lights for hooking up at night. We have a little slide here. This is where your battery compartment, 2 brand new batteries. Again, the slide from under cargo from both sides. And all of our flushing and filling stations here. Gray water, black water. Has an external light. Another big slide. This is the, like I said before, the Arctic Fox Silver Fox edition. We just don't get them in like this very often. I think it already has the camera on. It has a nice ladder. It's in very good shape for 2013. I think if you want to come by and look at it, my name's Diana.Eselin. I'd love to show you this, and also I have a lot of new Arctic Foxes in stock. Thank you.